Yeah. They got another broken bridge over there.
Right now, we said there's a what?
Another broken bridge. Oh no, it's attached.
Well,
There's that
there's
tree.
what's in this damn water.
Oh yeah, there's probably some worse in here.
Yeah, it's like swamp like.
Shrek gonna come up. Get the hell out of my swamp. Shrek, who that is out there?
Like, I'm over here taking pictures like I'm finna bust it down.
Don't get.
For the 99 and the 2000 and shit.
Cash money taking over from the 99 to the 2000.
It's hard to get certain angles of pictures.
What's the name of this nature trail?
It's called, what is it called? It's called,
Donkey! Huh? You be alright. I'm trying to see which way we're gonna go. Gonna go this way then. The nature part. I'm starting a YouTube channel. And I'm hiking in some slides. White socks too.
alright, so which way you wanna go? You wanna go that way? I just saw something running.
You scared?
I don't know why, a little bit.
Next time, you want me to go back to the car and grab the strap? I even let you hold the strap, so you get scared. Pow! I'm gonna grab the strap.
I don't want to be trigger happy.
You want me to grab the strap? We'll be good.
I think you want it.
All right. What's the name of this trail? What, nature?
Yeah, this is a good place to take a pet, like the dog.
Yeah. Well, that shit look caged up like a damn penitentiary.
I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's some kind of...
That's them bar wires. Yeah, them bar wires.
I don't know what this building thing is. I don't know if that's some type of water thing.
Some treatment plant. Yeah.
This is Big Haynes Nature Trail.
Big Haynes Nature Trail. Big Haynes Nature Trail. It's quiet. You said what?
But I read that before we even came here. So, but they do have markets.
Slow down. Fast foot.
Come on,
I told you I'm starting a YouTube channel. When this tablet came right on time too. I see. What you say? I seen. Okay, I said I seen you.
the fact that you literally can take off your hoodie.
Huh?
You sure you don't want to take off your hoodie?
I'm good.
You be making me mad.
I blend in everywhere I go, really.
Uh-oh.
What kind of damn ninja move was that? That's what you did. You like, oh. What the fuck was that?
That wasn't even a ninja move. That was me.
Man, that's a damn ninja move. Oh. What kind of shit is that? Been playing too much Mortal Kombat.
Now, if you wanted me to do some ninja, I would have did something like this.
I want to see something like this.
Uh-oh. I see it den. It's a den right here. Somebody done put a den.
Yeah.
I don't know what animal that could be, but... What?
What?
Why are you littering in this? This is a nature preserve.
Oh, I'm sorry, nature. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot.
The water and everything.
What the den you talking about? Right here?
Yeah. And there's a hole. I just saw a hole in the ground. Like, it could be a snake hole.
Oh, yeah. We in the real trenches.
Like, this is untapped. Like, for instance, when we go to Arabia Mountain Trail, that is basically the same thing as this, except
More grass.
it's been paved through. Like,
This been paved through?
No, this is untouched. Like, this is untouched. Like,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a raw trail.
I believe if people didn't put these signs out here at night, it was a lot of people
You're
get.
probably not even allowed to be out here after a certain time because of the potential dangers.
Yeah, home sweet home.
But I remember last week, yeah, we was thinking about coming here, but we didn't.
Us?
Yeah, we was talking about coming here. We was looking up other places because we was like, we want to discover a new place.
Oh.
What you need,
They got a little deer right there.
yeah, I just thought, I was like, okay. I'm pretty sure we're not out here alone.
Yeah, nah. Somebody out here.
Right.
This trail probably been here for years.
I'm sure. Oh, this is marsh. But I would love to. If I had a dog, I would bring him or her out here. Oh, there's stuff moving around. Ooh, this is beautiful.
It is. They said no fishing. You can't take off when the police out here and be ducked off. Oh. This is nice.
This is, this is pretty old.
That's an ugly frog.
Matter of fact, Why do I feel like I have been here before, but I was with like my mom and my sisters when we were kids.
You probably have.
That's what I was gonna say. I might ask her. Let me see, because when I was just looking at this water, I was like, this looks familiar.
Relationships or what? It's kind of faded. Hello, how y'all doing?
Brickwood right there. Oh.
All right, so you want to test the water at first?
No.
Oh, okay.
I remember they used to like do field trip. Remember I told you about there's a place called Fern Bank. It's like in Atlanta.
Yeah.
I said I want to take Brooke there, but because of COVID, a lot of stuff is not available. Did y'all have stuff like that in Texas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got to sign a permission slip and
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
It's like in nature, and I wonder what this looks like at nighttime for real. I'm pretty sure the animals and everything are alive and well, but I wonder what the water looks like at night, or when the sun is
I bet
setting.
it's like a Lion King. Simba!
Or like
Simba!
when the sun is setting, and look at the trees, like the colors of the leaves and how they change in the fall.
Yeah.
I just think it's a really pretty picture. Let me see.
Mustafa! The circle of life. It's nice out here, y'all.
I wonder how do people get to those other sides, like the other bank of it, maybe over there. Or do they have to go like through the woods, literally, or is there another way?
It's probably a good one. I'd be out here sleep. Sun gazing and sleep.
Like I said, once we see, we live all the way on the other side. So.
This ain't far to this ain't.
Here one day.
Yeah. I come out here with a big ass bag of chips.
The animals gonna be freaking out.
Oh.
They're gonna be like, what is that sound? They're gonna be like, Martha, do you hear that?
You even name the damn animals.
I do be naming them. What was the last animal I said was named? I forgot.
Them damn birds that
The
turn the hill apart.
Arabian.
Oh, was it a raven? I'm talking about them birds from got scared with them ducks.
Oh,
They was out sitting there. Yeah, that was turn the hill apart.
Oh, Turner Lake.
I said turn the hill.
Oh,
Turn the lake. That's Stone Crest.
I'm like, Turner Hill.
Yeah.
Well, we can do that. We can literally just go to different nature preserves and stuff.
We on 1340.
Like I told you, I need to get. I got. Hey, here's another one. I might take a picture. I wonder, is it safe to walk around them?
Yeah, it's gonna have to be safe because we are walking over here.
And I don't see it blocked off.
That's all right. I'm just gonna push you in there first, then you can just drag me in there. Yeah, this like a fishing dock.
Imagine something hop out the water and be like, "What's up?" Like, what's she gonna do?
I'm gonna say what's happening.
She gonna be like,
I'll put it on camera. Oh yeah, this nice.
I want you to take a picture. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the edge of this. I want you to use my camera. Please don't drop it. Wait, somebody called me. Hold on.
Jesus.
Oh, Chase. It was my nephew, Chase. Chase, work is at school.
Well, he probably ain't went to school yet.
I don't like it.
That motherfucker just snap. Snap! Yeah, this motherfucker moving too. Hey, what if the chain break and then I start floating way on the other side?
Take a picture of me.
Oh shit.
You can swim, man.
Hell yeah. That shit got me scared. That motherfucker moving. Y'all look at this. It was snapping.
Come on, so you can take this.
I'm trying to make sure I don't die.
You ain't finna die. Hurry up. My stomach. You know, I ate that cake. Oh, I'm gonna let you do one more. Just one more. Let me see.
I gotta get contact for the YouTube channel.
You want me to take some pictures of you, or?
I'm scared to take a picture.
All right, well, take one more picture of me, and I'm done.